We're learning to play the very vicious Velociraptor. Now, this piece, it has an introduction which goes like this. And then it goes into the main section, into the first section. So here it is in the music. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually leave off, just for now, the first 3 bars. And we're going to concentrate on, the main bit here, which is learning this lovely tune that goes up and down and up and down and up and down here. So we're going to go from bar 4, because that's bar 1, 2, 3, bar 4. And then that takes us up to the 3rd line. That's bar 9, 10, 11. And we're going to stop at the beginning of bar 12 on the first note. So things to say. It's this piece. Treat it as if it's got 4 beats to the bar for now. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, because all these notes are quavers. So they're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 to a beat here. Eventually, when we speed it up, we're going to try and give it a slightly different feel, where we're going to go wah ha ha and 2 hoo hoo hoo, which will be a slightly different thing, but that's the way we're going to start with it. Just think of these as 2 to a beat. Now, we've got a key signature as well, an F sharp. So any Fs written in the music, for instance, right here at the beginning, will be an F sharp, that'll be an F sharp, that'll be an F sharp. Now, the whole of this first section, you can play with this hand position, with your thumb on E and your little finger on B. Now, that's the white notes, but of course the F needs to be an F sharp. So I'm going to put it in, and I'm going to slide my hand in just a little bit, so my second finger is slightly curved and firmly over that F sharp. So the first thing I want you to do is just walk up and down those 5 notes with me. So find your E, second finger on F sharp, so no Fs at all, F sharps, then a white, G, A, B. Try it with me, so we'll go that, walk up, and walk back down. Now, we can use those notes to play the following passage here. So it starts on that, it's going up, down, down, up, up, up. And he goes up one more to here. Up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. We're back where we started. Up, down, down, back where we started. Up, up. F sharp at the end. Let's try that first of all. So I'm just going to show you the pattern, but I'd really like you to try and work from your music and follow it for yourself. All of those notes, apart from the last 2, where we move 4 notes, all those other notes are steps, they're seconds. We're moving between 2 notes, is what we call a second. So from there to there is a second, from there to a second, that's a second going down, second going down, second going down, second going down. So this is what we've got. The first little bit I want you to try, just try copying what I'm doing here. So I'm going to walk up and down 3 notes. Okay, so try that with me. Now, onto the end of that, I'm going to run up. So watch what I do. Should we try that much, starting on our thumb? So E, up and down 3 notes, and then all the way up to the top. Now, for the next bit, we're going to come down 3 notes and back up. So, watch this one. Let's just look at that in the music, so you're not just doing it from memory. So, going up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, up, F sharp. Here's the whole thing. Actually, I'm going to stop just there. So that's a good chunk, isn't it? So would you like to see that chunk again? Okay, should we try it together? So starting on the E, up and down 3 notes, all the way to the top, down these 3 notes and back up, all the way back down to the bottom. Okay, let's see it in the music again. There it is. So easy for you to do, even when you haven't got the video. You know that note's E, you can see the 1 over it for your thumb. You know about the key signature, the F sharp. And we're going to play 2 quavers to each beat. So it's Yam bum ba dum 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 Da 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 dum. Da 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 dum. Da 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 dum dum. At the end, staccato, and that's an accent. So the dot's the staccato, the little arrowhead is an accent. So it's spiky and you make it stand out. Bum, bum. So they're going to be a bit louder than the other notes. So here it is again. Try and follow your music as well as you look at this. So what might work is you've got your music here in front of you, double page. Put if you're using a tablet or a phone or whatever you're using on, put that on the left and have your music on the right, okay? Let's try it together. Just trying to, and you can see me, I know I'm pointing out camera slightly, but I'm pointing up to the 4th bar and I want you to just try and follow with your eyes. So we're going from the end of the first line, last bar. Here we go, I'll count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and down 3 notes, up to the top. So this is the beginning of the next line. Down 3 notes and back up, all the way down. Now, up and down 3 notes, all the way up to the top, and then spiky, spiky. Okay. So I'm going to do it again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that's your first section. And now, so we've done that. You see it going up and down, all the way up to the little finger, down 3 notes, back up, all the way back down to the thumb, up 3 notes and back down, and all the way up to the top, and then coming down to the F sharp. Now this next bit is practically the same, apart from the last 2 notes. So same idea, start on the E, going up, da 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 da, up to the da 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 da, thumb. Yeah. Now here it's going to change a little bit. So it's going to go ya dum da dum. So rather than up and down 3 notes, it's going to go E, F sharp, E, F sharp, then up to G, G, A, B. And then instead of going down to the F sharp, you're going to go up to D sharp, which I'll show you now. So this is the second half, folks, okay? So it starts off all the same. So I'm going from the end of the second line, the last bar on the second line, that's bar 8. Try and follow it in the music as you play. So you start on the E again. So up and down 3 notes. Up to the top. This is bar 9 now, the line 3. So that's all like before. Now, E, F sharp, and again, E, F sharp, then G to A, and again. Staccato. Now, instead of going down to the F sharp, I want you to go up with your 4th to D sharp, and then 1 more note onto E, which is going to be the beginning of the next section. Okay, I'll show you that again. Oh, sorry, get it right. Okay, here's the whole thing from bar 4. So remember, I'm starting here. There's your first phrase. Ba da 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 da, ya da 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 da, da 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 dum dum. Ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 dum. Bum bum. Right, let's give it a little go. So going from the beginning, so I'm going to give you a slow 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, and again. Twice, this twice, rest, D sharp, rest, E. And there we have it. So that's your main aim now, just to get really familiar with that tune before you do anything else.